Lesson 2. Your Guide to Living with a 3D Printer. You've just bought a 3D printer, and you're bringing it home. But before you unbox it, there's one question worth asking. Is it actually suitable for indoors? The short answer is yes, but the right answer depends on which one you've got, and that starts with understanding the lineup. Open frame printers, like the A series, have no enclosure. Air moves freely while they print. They're perfectly fine indoors. Just place them somewhere well ventilated. Enclosed printers are different. Air circulates inside a sealed chamber, so odors and fine particles stay within the machine. But if you want to go even further, especially if you're sensitive to smells, or you plan to print with engineering-grade materials, look for a machine with a proper built-in filtration system. The X2D and H2 series both come with multi-stage filtration, a G3 pre-filter, HEPA, and activated carbon, working layer by layer to reduce odors and particulate matter. Now that you know the type that suits you, the next question is size. Printers come in 3 sizes. Think about how much space you have and how large the things you actually want to make are. And there's just one more thing you're probably wondering about: noise. Every model has a silent mode, keeping it under 50 decibels, quiet enough to run through the night without bothering anyone. Choose the right machine for your space, and a 3D printer fits into daily life more naturally than you'd expect. Want to keep learning? Visit Bambu Lab Academy at bambulab.com/academy.